That girl trend has been going around TikTok for about a month now, and if you don't know about it, then you've been living under a rock. In the spirit of being the wellness version of Hot Girl Summer, where sis is eat good, look good, feel good, this trend is more about self-fulfillment and achieving your goals and less about being the envy on Instagram because your breakfast looks a bit too bougie. Honestly, you can't deny that that girl is the walking Pinterest board and her followers are here for it. Yes, queen. So if you have been doing this your whole life or you just are gonna jump on the trend real quick, I made a routine based on that girl and I incorporated what I normally do most mornings because ain't nobody got time to be sourcing anything extra for the gram. So guys, this is my rendition on becoming that girl. First things first, wake up. Normally I wake up around 4 a.m. but I go back to bed and wake up again around 6. So we start with a quick face mask once I wake up. And we are gonna drink some water. Got to hydrate ourselves for that hot girl summer. Take my vitamins and we are gonna do a quick devotional.
God can see things that you can't see. He knows the right people who should be in your life. When you humble yourself like that, the scripture says God will exalt you. They're too prideful, think I don't need any help. I can do this on my own. Joel, look at how successful I am already. Think about where you could be if you start acknowledging God.
You can't just complain about everything you don't like. Be mindful to be a blessing. Come on, I dare you.
Next on the agenda, well, wherever it is, I'm gonna walk around the community to get my physical exercise in, then come back to take a shower and have my fruit plate for the morning. I personally love fruit plates that have colors in there, and sharing is caring, so my puppy gets some. Next is, we gotta tidy the room and do our self-care for the day. Honestly, today you caught me when I wanted to paint something. I felt very abstract and I wanted to just clear my mind. I had some friends, as you saw a while ago. Birds come in and out, and while the place is nice and cool and quiet, I just want to set the mood by lighting my candle, listening to some music and just relaxing. Another that girl behavior is just measuring in measuring in self-care and making sure that you feel good when you look good, right? So I'm just gonna take my time. These are what I painted and I put it up on my wall afterwards. Now we're gonna go and tidy the rest of my room. I had to do some spring cleaning clippings of my plant, do some dusting, then I straight into doing some work. I killed 2 birds with 1 stone and did laundry while I'm at it. And because the weather was so nice, I decided to sunbathe for like a 15 minutes or so. In the spirit of being that girl productive, I decided to wash my hair. I got new growth, so I'm really excited. I use this shampoo because it has some deep cleaning magic, as well as my detangling brush, and shrinkage is real, so hashtag moisturized with the 2-strand twists shrinkage. But yes, I am ready for the rest of the routine. So we are gonna take breakfast for the first time in my morning. I think this is more lunch, but it is just a quick little vegetable chicken thing on bread, and I'm gonna make a mango smoothie, mango and oats, because we gotta go healthy with that. My dog eats mangoes, guys, so mangoes are not wasted in this house. But like I said, we're gonna just make this smoothie real quick, like chop chop, two twos. Yeah, so blend up and mix up, because we are on the healthy goal like that girl. We gotta do the most for the morning / afternoon. When I tell you that I was full from the smoothie alone, it's no joke. And we're prepping for the dinner, which is gonna be vegetable stew. And I'm gonna have a little treat, you guys soon see it, which is dairy-free, gluten-free, all that kind of free ice cream, because we are on the healthy train, right? Yeah. So for the rest of the day, I took it easy. I invested in my growth and immersed myself in learning something new and creating content. Like, what more can you want, right? So the evening time, because afternoon don't really do much, we created some lemongrass rose petal tea, and I lit some candles because mood is a thing. Can we say we got that girl routine thing on pat? Pouring our nice rose petal brewed tea and eating our vegetable stew peas on vegetables. We are gonna have a shower and really rub down our body and moisturize again, making sure that we're feeling great for bedtime. And we're just grateful for the day, happy to be alive, and all that good stuff. So here are my few takeaways, right? While it empowers women to live their best life and strive to get their life together, which I mean, I'm rooting for you as much as the next queen. But question, are you trying to be aesthetically pleasing that girl on Instagram, or are you trying to boost you and better you? It's aspirational to follow this trend, but if you're not doing it for you and just for the gram, it's not gonna work. So I implore you to try this because it can better yourself. You can do the damn thing and crush your goals, but make sure you cater it to suit your needs and be your own that girl.